Hey, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm replacing the cables on this trailer because one was completely severed off and the other one is in rough shape, certainly not safe anymore. And I've always hated these cables. They're stiff and they don't really work well. So I'm replacing it with a safety chain instead of the cable. And to do this, it's pretty easy. If you look underneath here, hopefully you can see there are these bolts and nuts, and these are lock nuts. So I just removed the other one and replaced it with this here. It's got a big washer so it can't come off the end. Here's the old one here, another old one on the other side, which I'm also going to be removing here in just a minute. So it's just these on this particular trailer, they're 3/4 bolts and nuts. Remove those and then replace it with the chain and you're good to go. So you can see I got the nut off here, so I'm going to take that washer off, set that aside, and then the old cable will come off, and then we're ready to put the new one on. I have that right here in the box. And both these ends have hooks on, designed to just hook on, but I wanted to bolt them tight with that big washer. So we're going to go ahead and just slip that one on there like so, and then we're going to put the washer back. A little tight space up in here. Here we go. Once that's on, I need 2 hands to put the nut back on so it doesn't come, so the bolt itself don't turn. Might be able to get it started here. There we go. So that's started. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up. You can see that washer is big enough that this hook can't come out. And I'm going to tighten it up so this doesn't even move anyways like I did this one here. So this one is just secured right in that position, so it's not going to move at all. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I'll just get that tightened up and we'll have 2 brand new safety chains on this big flatbed trailer. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Appreciate you swinging by, and come back often for more videos. Have a great day.